What's the meaning of bioluminescence? Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence.
Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence refers to the emission of light by living organisms, such as fireflies, jellyfish, and bacteria. This natural phenomenon occurs due to specific chemical reactions that produce energy in the form of light. Bioluminescence is a fascinating process that has evolved independently in many different species for various purposes, including communication, defense, and prey attraction. The light emitted by bioluminescent organisms can range from faint glows to bright flashes and can be observed in both marine and terrestrial environments. Scientists study bioluminescence to better understand how it functions, to develop new technologies, and to gain insight into the complex workings of nature.